Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to copy, paste and clear data from your macOS clipboard using Flutter macOS. So here you can see I have three buttons. If I want to copy some data, here is the data which I am passing, like my super secret data. And if I want to copy it to my clipboard, I will just click on the copy button, and if I click on clear, nothing will happen. Like, it is cleared from clipboard, but you can't really see it. If I try to paste it after clearing it, you can see nothing has been printed, has been shown inside my Flutter app. But if I copy it again, if I click on paste now, here you can see I am able to see my super secret data. So let's see how to do this. So first, create Flutter project. Next, you will have to refactor this my homepage widget. So I have created a method channel. It is named as copy to clipboard platform. Now you will have to use the same name on Flutter macOS side as well. And I have created one variable for getting the data from our clipboard. And here I have created one method called underscore copy. Here we are invoking a method called copy from our native macOS side as well. And this is the data which I am passing. So the data is the key, value is my super secret data, which will be copied to our clipboard. Now you can pass whatever you feel like. And for pasting it, we are again calling the paste method from our native macOS side. And if the result is not equal to null, I'm just assigning it to our my data variable. And here for clearing it, we just call the clear method from our native macOS side. Then here, as you can see, I have created a scaffold. I have created a safe area widget. I have taken one column, and inside that I have taken three buttons. So inside on button press, we are just calling the respective methods copy, paste, clear. And here I have one text widget as well, which where I'm passing over my data as well as styling it. So yeah, that's it on the Flutter side. Next, you will have to go to your macOS folder. Over here, open the XE workspace inside Xcode, and over here firstly you will have to use this like ns pasteboard.general, assign it to your pasteboard. And here I have created a Flutter method channel called copy clip to platform. Now this is the same identifier which we have used it on the Flutter side as well. So if you see over here, same identifier I am using over here. Next, we are calling set method call handler, and now depending on which method was called, we are executing the required code. So if the copy method was called, we are first extracting the data which was sent from Flutter side. If there is already some contents inside our pasteboard, we are clearing that, and then assigning self.pasteboard.set string, passing our data, and it is of data type string. And in case of any error, I'm just returning back the error message. In case of paste, as you can see, I'm just calling self.pasteboard.string for type string. And when whatever string we get from pasteboard.string, we are just returning it back to the Flutter side. In case of error, we are again returning back the error message. And for clear, we just have to call self.pasteboard.clear contents. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.